Hello guys. If like people are just like starting to start learning discipline, it is not all about being selfish or always like being on yourself, because it is a really misconception. Actually, learning discipline is not about being selfish, but it's about protecting your own boundaries, your own limitation, and your own needs while valuing others. Because sometimes around here in people right now, they struggle with people pleasing. Just like when someone asked them, they always said no. Or, sorry, that's not no. They always said yes to everyone else. And you know what gonna happen? When you always said yes to the person, it's going to left you more and more stressful, because it is really hurt. And right now, I usually work on it right now. When Because to me, when I go to school and when someone asked me like they want to borrow my things or they going to ordering me around, I always said yes, because that is also my nature. To me, that is my also my reaction, because I like peace, and I like almost around like balance towards others. And that's how I realize I need to protect myself at any cost. So I set the boundaries. I starting like practicing myself, like not the actual like the practice like you're going to write everything, you go talk to yourself as always. No, I just talk to myself like sometimes, and I set it to myself, like I set it like mindset. I set it to my mind, and I said, if I always said no to that person, what will always gonna happen to me? So I decided I want to say no. I need to understand more about the person, and when it comes and that person's comes to me and they want to borrow something, I said no, and nothing happens. And